My name is Johann Lainer. I'm a marketing communications manager at Watlow. Watlow is manufacturing electric thermal systems. That means heaters, sensors, controls, means power controls, process controls, temperature controls, and heating elements to decarbonize industrial processes. So we are definitely at the right place here. There are a couple of projects with EPCs, OEMs and end users. In this case, we are introducing our medium voltage heating and control solution, and my colleague will do that today. Yes, it's a great platform for us to meet with EPCs, end users and OEMs. Reason is that VGS Group is doing a good job in connecting us with the right players. We have the opportunity to present our technology in front of the audience, and yeah, it's always fun as well, and a good networking opportunity for us here. Okay, we see a lot of digital transformation. You're using webinars, you're using Teams meetings, lunch and learns, etc. But it's still very reasonable and valuable to connect physically with industrial leaders, and that's why this congress is really successful. Domenico is speaking about especially Watlow's products, technology, heaters, sensors, controls in hydrogen generation, but he will always also lay out how you use our technology in general in oil and gas operations, like replacing gas-fired heaters with electric ones, hot oil systems, steam, etc., reboilers. So will be an interesting speech for the audience. I guess it's still everybody's searching for the right technology to decarbonize industrial processes. On the other hand, energy prices going up. We see multiple crises going on to wars. So there are a lot of approaches, and one of that is electrification, which we are supporting. So I'm interested and excited to hear more about those trends in the next speeches. Yeah, as we can see, they are asking for OPEX and CAPEX oriented solution about how to decarbonize, how to support energy transition, and we are in talks with our clients to find the best solution for them to satisfy their special needs. If it's medium voltage, if it's coking and fouling, if it's other things, we will find the best solution for our customers. From our side, we have a new solution as megawatts are going up. We have medium voltage heating and control solutions, which we just launched, and we are one of the few providers in the world which can do that, and so we're proud of that, and we promote that also in our speech today. Yeah. I think we are now joining the 9th time, and we've been working with Eva before, and then with Victoria. Now Victoria is doing a really fantastic job. She's connecting us with the right people, and so we are really happy to work with her and cooperate with her.